The first video update in a very long time, but engine's out. Nothing we can do about it right now because I don't have an engine. So I moved over to some rust. I'm gonna have to make a patch panel, cut this out, weld a new one in. Let me turn my camera. There we go. Look at that. There's some rust. Rust. This is all on the driver's side door, so I'll have to cut all this out and weld in a new piece of patch panel. And all that is Bondo. I have been grinding this Bondo off, trying to figure out why this Bondo was more than 1/4 inch, and it's just, there's some very low spots here, high spot right there, and this isn't terrible. So I'm just going to heat it up real good and weld some studs, pull some of this out so there isn't any high spots. There's no reason why this needs Bondo. Now, whoever painted this car before really screwed up. This was rusting under the Bondo, and this is a low spot here. But you see all these little specks? That's rust under the primer. So I'm going to have to sand this down until I don't see any more rust, hopefully about right here, and then encapsulate this in some kind of rust encapsulator. I think Eastwood makes a spray-on brand, and convert this rust before I could even put primer back on it, because that's what's happening here. This metal is starting to rust under the primer because whoever did bodywork on this car did not do it very well. So that's where we're at. Since I can't do anything about an engine, maybe I could just piece together some bodywork. Get it all primed to one color eventually. So anyway, this has been an update. There's not much I can do but shoot these little 3-minute videos every damn month, because that's all I can do right now. Alright, catch you next time. I just put some cheap paint on there just to keep it from flash rusting because I'm outside. So I didn't want it to flash rust while I was trying to redo some work. So, but as you can see the holes now. And yep, got some work to do.